nuclear verdicts are on the rise, and they're having a massive impact on the insurance industry, businesses, and everyday consumers. These are jury verdicts that exceed $10 million, often driven by emotional appeals, legal tactics, and increasing litigation costs. But what's behind this trend, and why should you care? Today, we're breaking down what nuclear verdicts are, how they affect insurance costs, what industries are feeling the most pressure, and what's being done to curb this rising threat. Over the past decade, nuclear verdicts have become more frequent and severe. The latest research shows that from 2013 to 2022, there were over 1,200 nuclear verdicts in personal injury and wrongful death cases, with the median verdict now exceeding $21 million. And the trend is only accelerating. 2023 saw a record-breaking number of verdicts, over $100 million. These massive awards are particularly common in cases involving product liability, auto accidents, and medical malpractice, and they're disproportionately concentrated in states like California, Florida, and New York. For the insurance industry, the rising cost of litigation isn't just a legal problem, it's an economic one. When businesses and insurers are forced to pay out massive jury awards, those costs ultimately get passed down to consumers. Higher legal expenses mean higher premiums for everything from auto and home insurance to commercial liability coverage. In industries like trucking, healthcare, and construction, nuclear verdicts have made it more difficult to secure affordable insurance, forcing some businesses to shut down or significantly increase prices for their services. So what's fueling these extreme verdicts? Several key trends are at play. One is the increasing use of reptile theory in courtroom strategies, where plaintiffs' attorneys appeal to jurors' emotions rather than facts, painting companies as a threat to public safety. Another is the rise of third-party litigation funding, where outside investors bankroll lawsuits in exchange for a cut of the settlement, leading to prolonged litigation and higher damages. Additionally, the concept of anchoring, where attorneys suggest astronomical damage amounts in an effort to influence jurors, has driven awards far beyond what's considered reasonable compensation. With litigation costs spiraling out of control, many in the industry are pushing for reforms. Some of the proposed solutions include requiring transparency in third-party litigation funding, setting limits on non-economic damages, and improving the way scientific evidence is presented in court. Certain states are also working to curb misleading lawsuit advertising and reduce trial lawyer tactics that manipulate jurors into delivering excessive awards. The goal is to restore balance to the civil justice system while still ensuring fair compensation for legitimate claims. At the same time, insurers are turning to technology and analytics to manage litigation risk more proactively. AI and data-driven models are being used to identify cases with a high probability of leading to a nuclear verdict, allowing insurers to settle claims earlier and avoid excessive court awards. Some companies are using predictive analytics to recognize patterns in jury behavior, legal arguments, and claim severity, helping underwriters and claims teams make more strategic decisions. As we move into 2025 and beyond, the growing severity of nuclear verdicts will continue to reshape the insurance landscape. Whether you're a policyholder, a business owner, or someone looking to build a career in insurance, understanding the forces driving litigation costs is critical. The challenge ahead will be finding the right balance between protecting consumers' rights and ensuring the long-term stability of the insurance market. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into the latest trends shaping insurance. See you next time, insurance gurus.